Hi guys, welcome back to the Benjamin TV. This is the second day of the flood. The rain just stopped. You can see the level of the water. You can see the water. See, you can see the water. Whoop. Jesus, about Jesus. You can see the water. See the water is the length of the water. There is no way you can even use. You can see the water, just like a river. You can see the results of the rainfall. This is what they advise people. Please, when buying land, when building a house, when renting, look for a place that is on the high land to avoid problems that will occur in the future. Please, you look for a place. See people's farm. Most of the crops here will be destroyed because of the water. Please always look that is on the high land to avoid spending of money. You can see the water level. See the water level. See the water level. These are people's entrance to their houses being covered by water. Please, when renting house, please and please always look for a place that is on high land. This Port-Harcourt is always, as the name goes, river state. There is always river. People have built, cover up the canal, so there's no pass route for the water. So just literally see the water. You can see people. You can see. See the force by which the water is coming. Shit. It's in the main road. The gutters are blocked, the canals are blocked.
David, Eddie, bye. Come here, nice to I'm not going to leave you, right? You say we are something.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the Benjamin TV. Thank you.